Hello everyone, welcome back to UNM Mathematics. My name is Victor and today we're going to be learning about shape of data distributions. So when we graph numerical data like test scores or people's heights, it forms a certain shape. Today we're going to learn the names of three main shapes which statisticians, or the people that do statistics, call distributions. So first, the perfect shape. As you can see, I'm going to zoom in right here. This is called the symmetrical shape, where if most people score right in the middle and there's an equal number in low and very high scores, the graph looks like a bell. Okay, this is called symmetrical, and this is going to be called the bell curve. And this is a symmetrical distribution. If you fold it half down the middle, both sides will match perfectly as well. So as you can see down here in the right skewed and left skewed, let's look at the peak on the left. So look at this graph. The data is all bunched up onto the left side near the low numbers. So but then it trails off to the long tail pointing to the right side towards the positive high numbers. So as you can see right here, look at the tail points. The name of the skew is determined by the tail, not the peak, because the tail points towards the positive numbers on the right. This is positively skewed. Okay? An example might be house prices, because most houses are bunched out at a normal price, but a few crazy mansions drag a long tail out to the right. And then finally this graph with the left skewed. So this data is bunched up all on the right near the high numbers. It has a long tail pointing to the left towards the negative numbers or 0. And look at the tail points. It points towards left, towards the negative direction. So this is negatively skewed. Now, example would be scores on a very easy test, because most students will score a bunch near like 100, so like if 70 or 80 or so, but a few students didn't study, they drag a tail out to the lower numbers on the left. So right here, what does the graph look like in your head? If I tell you a test was incredibly difficult, then what you want to do is you want to visualize that graph. Most people will get low scores, so it bunches it on the left. Tail points right, it's positively skewed. Remember, visualizing is the key to statistics. So, to repeat all of today's habits, we have to name a skew. Always look at where the tail points. It either goes right or either goes left, not the peak itself. And when given a real world scenario, you want to ask yourself, what does the graph look like in your head? The tail names the skew. Describe it as either symmetrical, left skewed, or right skewed. I'll see you in the next video where we will be comparing data sets. Thanks for watching.